Welcome to UVexplorer. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of setting up and monitoring CPU loads using UVexplorer. Monitoring CPU loads with UVexplorer allows you to ensure your CPU's activity and temperature stay within preset thresholds. To begin, click on the Monitors tab. This section allows you to manage various types of monitors available in UVexplorer. On the left-hand side, select CPU processor load. This option enables you to monitor the CPU load percentage on any device. To create a new monitor, right-click within the main panel and choose Add from the context menu. A monitor configuration form will appear, allowing you to customize the monitor's settings, select target devices, and define the monitoring schedule. Under the Settings tab, provide a meaningful name and description for your monitor and specify the thresholds that you wish to be notified of. Next, navigate to the Devices tab. Here, select the Windows devices where you want to monitor the CPU load. You can choose multiple devices by clicking the blue plus circle. Move to the Schedule tab to define how frequently UVexplorer should check the status of the CPUs. Within the Events section, configure how you'd like to be alerted in case of service issues. Options include logging events within UVexplorer, sending email notifications, or sending Slack alerts. Once all configurations are set, click Save to activate the monitor. UVexplorer will now continuously monitor the specified Windows CPU loads and notify you of any performance problems. Thank you for choosing UVexplorer to monitor your CPU loads. For more information and support, visit our website at www.uvexplorer.com.